Hello children, I am Mrs. Masih and I am here again with a new topic, and today's topic is our body. Our body is made up of many parts. Each part of our body is useful to us. All the body parts perform important function. Now let's study about different parts of our body. The top part of the body is called head, and the front part is called face. This is face. Then this is called forehead. You can read the spelling here. These are eyebrows. These are eyes. We have two eyes. This is ear. We have two ears. And this one is nose. Then neck. This part is called chest. And this lower part is called belly. Then we have fingers in our hand. We have 10 fingers in both hands. This is called knee. Here, eyebrow. This is mouth. We have tongue and teeth inside the mouth. This part is called shoulder. Arms, hand. We have two hands. Leg. We have two legs also. And this is called foot. We need healthy food, clean water and fresh air to keep our body strong. You know children that our body parts help us to do different work. Now in this topic we will learn how do our hands help us. Our hand help us to write, to eat and to hold things. It also helps us in doing different kind of work like clapping, drawing, painting, etc. Now see how do our legs help us. Our legs help us to walk, to run, to skip and to kick. They also help us in dancing, walking, jumping, playing, etc. There are some other parts of the body also which help us to sense things around us, and they are called sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: tongue, nose, eyes, skin and ears. Now let's study about eyes. Eyes help us to see different things around us. Children, close your eyes for some time and try to see things around you. Are you able to see anything? No, not at all. It means eyes help us to see things around us. Now come for the ears. Our ears help us to hear different sound. Again children, close your ears for a minute Can you hear some kind of sound now? No, you can't hear any sound if you close your ears. It means ears help us to hear different sounds. Now nose. Nose help us to smell different things. It also help us to breathe. Children, press your nose for a second. How do you feel? Can you breathe or smell anything? Not at all. It means nose help us to smell things. Tongue. The tongue help us to identify different kinds of taste like sweet, sour, salty and bitter. The flavor of an ice cream or chocolate is sweet. The flavor of lemon and orange is sour. And the flavor of french fries or chips is salty. And the flavor of bitter gourd, which is generally called Karela, is bitter in taste. Children, how do you taste all these things? Through tongue. It means tongue help us to identify the different taste. Skin. Our whole body is covered with skin. Skin is the largest sense organs of our body. Skin helps us to feel hot, cold and pain. In summer we feel hot, in winter we feel cold, and if we get hurt we feel pain because of our skin. It means skin helps us to feel. Now children, let's revise what we have learned in this topic. We have learned about different parts of the body. Children, please repeat after me. Head, hair, forehead, eyebrow, eye, ear, nose, mouth, neck, shoulder, chest, arm, hand, belly, finger, knee, leg, foot and toe. We have also learned about sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, and they do these work. We see with our eyes, we hear with our ears, we smell with our nose, we taste with our tongue, and we feel with our skin. Children, I have prepared a short assignment for you. Please do in your notebook. The first question is, write any 10 parts of the body. Previously you have learned the parts of the body name. Here you have to write any 10. Then question number 2, write the name of 5 sense organs as you have learned. The question number 3 is, tick the correct and cross the wrong statement. We taste with our nose. Skin is the largest sense organ. We hear with our eyes. We smell with our nose. I hope children you have understood the whole topic. And thank you for watching this video.